Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to apply master pages in Adobe InDesign. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply a master page to a single page, how to apply it to multiple pages at once, and how changes made to a master page can automatically update across the document pages. So, let's get started. What is a master page used for? So, what exactly is a master page used for? A master page is used for design elements that you want to keep consistent across multiple pages in a document. For example, page numbers, headers, footers, logos, background elements, text frames, and other layout elements. Let's say you have a 100-page book and you want to place the same footer at the bottom of every page. You don't need to create the footer separately on every page. Instead, you can create the footer once on the master page. Then, whenever you apply that master page to your document pages, the footer will automatically appear on those pages. And that is one of the biggest advantages of using master pages. So, that's the complete process of applying master pages in Adobe InDesign. In this tutorial, we learned how to apply a master page to a single page, How to apply a master page to multiple pages at once. How to edit a master page. If you're working on book formatting, magazines, reports, or any other multi-page document, master pages can make your workflow much faster and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.